Entrance in this place is free. This bridge is from World War II. Yeah. Next destination is we are on top of the skywalk and okay, so pretty much I think I'm back. This day I'm taking this backpack because I think we're gonna go on like a little hike. Hopefully it will not rain. Supposedly there's breakfast, but I don't know. I think it's already time for us to leave the hotel. I slept okay, but my head and eyes still hurt, and you can tell I look distressed. Machine with coffee, matcha, and Thai tea. I've never seen that in a hotel. Oh, okay. Milky. I got muffin, matcha, Thai tea, broccoli, and a red pork salapao. My stomach hurts from 2 days before. I did drink a pill to make it better, but it still hurts. So, we are at the bridge. Supposedly, it's a very old bridge, Safan Ka Menam Kweng, something like that. You can rent boats, from what I can see. The river here is called Kwan, or Menam Kwan in Thai. This bridge is from World War II, and it is 81 years old already. So really old. The sun is blinding today, but the weather overall is manageable. Another interesting fact, war prisoners from Allies have built this bridge. Next destination is a cafe. I did wash my hair yesterday, 14 hours ago. I braided it and it's still wet. It's so bright here. I'm like always blinded. Whoa, that looks pretty insane. Ordered like a premium matcha. I'll ani?
Okay, I'll be aniค่ะ
Here's my matcha. Already mixed it up a little bit. Tasted it a little bit too. Pretty color. Let's try like one from Japan. It's pretty cool. It costs, let me show you the receipt. I have the receipts with me. Here, can you see the price? 220 baht. Not your typical drink, not an everyday drink. But I suppose you're also paying for like the atmosphere because there are like cactus farms. You can take great pictures. There's also a wall with like souvenirs, Stanley cups, caps, bucket hats, speakers. Next destination. ต่อไปเราไปที่ไหนคะ
ต่อไปเราไปที่ถ้ำกระแส
ทำเกษตรรถไฟฟ้า Oh, okay. You already heard it, guys. Next destination is a cave, and where the train passes, it's like from World War II. Interesting destination. Arame? Let's decapitate the turtle. Little turtle's head. I don't know what's happening with the sun in Kanchanaburi, but it is blinding me all day. สั่งอะไรคะ
ชากรีนทียูสุ
Oh, okay.
มันจะมีความเปรี้ยว แล้วก็หวานนิดๆ ไม่ชอบอะไรที่หวานมาก
Okay. Enjoyed it here. Now, gonna be heading to the car. Next destination is train tracks and a cave. So let's go there, okay? Got a little bit left. The weather's good. I was so cold in the bus. Nearly threw up. My head hurts. My eyes hurt. But doesn't matter. We gotta power through. Simple shirts. Just like bags with Kanchanaburi written on them. the basic kind of souvenirs, magnets, Thai dresses with elephants, some fruits, some food, some coconut ice cream. You just saw, guys, the train. Many people here. Also souvenirs. Yeah. Thai stones, you guys. So if you come here, you can get souvenirs. You can have some Thai coconut ice cream. Okay, either way, let me show you the view because I'm talking too much. This bridge dates to World War II. I suppose, again, prisoners have built it. Like the last bridge we visited today. And that river, I suppose, is River Kwai. As you can see by the sign, Tham, we're going there. Not gonna go like inside because I don't want to make too much noise. It's really quiet here and I want to be respectful, okay? Waiting for the rest of the team. Now we have all set, waiting for another train. Train number 2.
ใช่ไหมไม่ใช่เพลนด้วยนะร็อกเก็ตเลยนะก็บอกแล้วว่าตอบผมได้อันนี้พบไปต่างจังหวัด
I looked at the shirts that I said before that I might consider getting, but I don't really want shorts, anything short. I said I wanted like a skirt or a dress, but the dresses they really had like an open back, and I don't really like that. So, okay, I think we're heading back to our bus. Okay, so we reached the restaurant and it's called Ice, like the ice here. Okay, got a plate full of everything. Egg covered in fried pork, juicy, not spicy. Then these kind of fish cakes, I think, that have like vegetables in them, very juicy and oily, which I do like. And we were also given some soup. There's mushrooms, chili, lemongrass, and something else. Okay, so we're done with the food. Next destination is a waterfall, actually. It's pretty cool, interesting, pretty popular location. No one has their swimming suits with them. We're not going to be swimming, just like a little short hike. Because we are so full. I'm about to burst. It's okay. Now my head is like, okay, it's like not too hurt. It'll get better. We have arrived at the waterfall now, going up, and there's like an old train. Already at the waterfall, and there's just a little bit too many people for us. For me, actually. Entrance in this place is free. Another stop, took a nap, an hour from the waterfall. We are doing some Thai massage and also foot massage. I'm gonna do foot massage because my head hurts and I don't want anyone like touching it. Just finished with the massage and it was 1 hour. As you can see by my hair, they also massaged my hair even though I had a foot massage, strangely. Okay, so we are on top of the skywalk and I did not look down. Oh, the wind here is amazing. The entrance was 60 baht. In the distance, you can see a white Buddha and also a factory, old paper factory. I don't think you'll see, because the zoom on iPhones are terrible. Either way, after this, guys, an interesting place we're going to, an event organized by Amazing Thailand, Tourism Authority of Thailand, actually. Very excited for that. Last time when I went to Nan, they did a really, really good job. I don't know, I'm pretty speechless. It just looks gorgeous. We have arrived at the event. Well, close the door. And it's right by an old paper factory. Looks pretty cool. I love like old buildings. I love like watching urban explorer videos. So looking at that, pretty cool, but I do not think we can go in. I'm really digging this old paper building. Love it. Really big fan. But we're walking towards the lights, as you can see. That's where everyone is. This is so cool. I'm such a big fan of this. I'm loving it. And Music Thailand really coming through. Now we are at another section and I'm seeing much more seating and much more people and much more food. A little bit further from the music, so you might hear me better. But the music is pretty loud, I don't know. We'll see if you can hear me. I'm sorry guys, I think it's really humid here, that's why the camera is pretty bad, so my bad guys. First thing we got was chicken, and I'm holding it with my hands, but it's really, really hot. Really good. And it was cooked with lemongrass. Thai premium wagyu on a stick. Perfect. Never had anything like that. I'm telling you, it's special. Fried tofu with a sweet peanut sauce. Delicious. Also got koi chai, which is like fried chive cakes. Love them. Super crispy. Oily. Chewy. A little bit sweet. I love it. We just finished with the event. Next destination. Next destination is wow. So much filling. Next destination is hotel. I'm so full. The pizza was really good. I'm actually sunburnt and tired, overwhelmed. But like for the most of the day, my head hurt, my stomach hurt. I drank some medicine and then I was good. All right, I'm ready to go to bed. Bye.